Facebook ads account blocked, come on. Yeah, this happens to me like not the first time, so I wanted to show you, and it's not really a big deal. If you have a real Facebook account and if you are a legit business, this should be easy for you to solve. So it could happen to you that you get a mail from Facebook that your ad account is blocked because they think you are violating the guidelines or you are doing something sneaky or whatever. So what you can do is, if you see this in your account, as you see here, this is an account that got blocked. It says here account confirmation required. So I can go here, say confirm. And then this takes me actually to this page, and I will not submit it again. I will do it in the next step because this already got approved. So it means that this account is already free again, or I can use it again, but it's not updated for some reason in the interface. I already got the email, but in this case, they ask me, is this your account? It depends if you're using this for a client or not. If the client is giving you the account, then ask the client to do this. In my case, this is one of our accounts, and it allows you here to pick the advertising account. In my case, because the violation is already solved, there is no option anymore. But then you have these options here. I'm not sure which policy was violated, and there's actually not too many points in this violation policy. So of course they are very strict about politics, about social things, about images, and you have to check out if you're violating any of these guidelines. But if you are not sure why the account is blocked, because I was also not sure why it's blocked, I was using quite marketing heavy language, so we're thinking maybe this was the cause of the violation, because Facebook changed a lot of the rules, a lot of how you can structure images, what you can say on the image, how much text you can put on the image over the last years. But in our case it was not. It's just the algorithm is getting it wrong, and all will be right. I think there was an unauthorized use of my Facebook account. This could also be the case, of course, and then just tell them. So if anybody can manage to log into your account and do something with your account, of course, you should tell Facebook, and the account should get blocked, of course. Another reason, if you click on here, you're able to type in a reason and everything should be solved. So I just got this email from Facebook. We have completed a review of your ads account. Dear Harold, we have completed further review of your ad account. This review process has included all aspects of your ad account's activity, including the ads you have created, as well as the associate landing pages or other destinations, among other information. This review determined that access to advertising features was incorrectly disabled. So you see the account is okay and running again, and I will check in Facebook now. It'll be okay, because sometimes, strangely, you see it takes a little while and it's now asking me for the billing settings. But I will just go in here and try if I can actually access this account and if it's already working or not. So this was this account. If I go in, you have new messages. Your ads have stopped running because of a billing issue, they are saying. So I will check this as well. I will click here and try to solve this issue. Let me see. So it seems that because of the blocking with the account, they have a billing issue as well. So I will just try to click on here and click on the pay button. If you have issues with your credit card, what I realized is that if you put in your credit card details like 4, 5, or 6 times, suddenly it works. So it blocked my card all the time, but then it works. So now everything is working. So let's check one more time if the account is back and running. if I click here, if I refresh this, everything should be up and running, hopefully. So I go to the ad manager and you will see this was the original message where the blocked bin. Now everything is fine again and we can run ads again. So don't panic if you see a message that your account is blocked. It's very likely that it's a mistake of the algorithm. So I hope that helps and I see you in a next video. Bye bye.